You clear a corner for a home gym, unfold a bench, lie back with dumbbells, and the whole thing wobbles like a cheap lawn chair. That ruins confidence fast. Adjustable weight benches are the foundation of better home training. So today we're ranking the 7 best options for safer presses, stronger workouts, and smarter storage. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Nice people. Starting simple is not a bad thing, especially when your home gym is still sharing space with laundry baskets and apartment furniture. Nice People is built for beginners who want one bench for dumbbell press, incline work, decline core training, and basic full body strength sessions. The 8 adjustable angles give you enough variety to train chest, shoulders, arms, abs, and upper body without making the setup feel confusing. This is the one I'd recommend for someone building a first home gym on a realistic budget. The longer 29.3-inch backrest is a big comfort upgrade compared with tiny benches that leave your head floating awkwardly. The 660-pound capacity and triangular steel support give it a stable feel for normal home workouts, while the non-slip foot caps help if your floor is not perfectly level. The padding is breathable, easy to wipe down, and comfortable enough for repeat sessions. It folds by removing 2 pins, so storage is easy. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Flybird 5. Some benches look compact, then surprise you by feeling much more serious once you actually train on them. Flybird 5 brings an 800-pound certified capacity, a dual triangle frame, and a double locking structure, which makes it feel more confidence-inspiring during presses and seated shoulder work. The adjustment range is the real story though. With flat incline, decline, and upright positions, it gives you a lot of room to train without needing multiple benches. This makes the most sense for home gym users who want one foldable bench that can grow with them. Beginners get simple setup and stability, while more experienced lifters get enough angle variety for chest, shoulders, arms, and core. The 30-inch backrest supports the head and spine better than shorter budget benches, and the wider seat helps during heavier dumbbell work. The spring lock system also makes angle changes fast, which keeps your workout moving. It folds down dramatically for storage, which apartment lifters will love. The downside is weight. It is portable, but not feather-light. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Yagud. The Yagud bench is one of those pieces that makes sense when you want strength, storage, and simplicity without turning assembly into a weekend project. It gives you 8 backrest positions, so you can move between flat pressing, incline work, core exercises, and accessory lifts with very little fuss. The big headline is the 880-pound capacity, supported by a heavy-duty steel frame and triangular stability design. This is the one I'd recommend for budget-conscious lifters who still want a high-stated capacity and a compact footprint. At only about 20.5 pounds, it is easy to move around a room, slide aside, or fold up when the workout is done. The folded size is small enough for bedrooms, apartments, and tight home gym corners. Setup is also quick, using simple brackets and pins rather than complicated hardware. The high-density foam and leather-style surface help reduce slipping and keep the bench comfortable through longer sessions. My small criticism is that lighter benches can feel less planted than heavier models. Still, for flexible home training, Yagud is very practical. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Flybird 2. This bench feels like the more locked-in, training-focused option for people who care about press stability. The 660-pound certified capacity is supported by reinforced triangular structures, but what stands out most is the deepened lock slot with a safety pull pin. That matters because nothing kills focus faster than wondering if the backrest is going to shift mid-set. This is the one I'd recommend for lifters who want a safer, grippier bench for consistent dumbbell and barbell work at home. The textured leather surface helps stop sliding when you are sweaty, which is underrated during incline press or decline sit-ups. The height is set around 17.38 inches, close to competition bench height, so leg drive feels more natural during pressing. That is a nice detail for anyone trying to train seriously in a home setup. With 8 backrest positions, 4 seat positions, and 3 leg holder positions, it offers a lot of exercise variety. It also folds to save space. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. AirHop. Now we are getting into benches that feel built for people who train hard and do not want the equipment complaining first. AirHop supports up to 1,000 pounds, using thick rectangular steel tubing, an extended base, anti-slip parts, robotic welding, and heavy-duty bolts. In real life, that translates into a bench that feels more planted when you are pressing heavier dumbbells or setting up for intense lower body accessory work. This is the one I'd recommend for serious home gym users who want high capacity without giving up foldable storage. The 8 backrest angles run from decline to upright, and you also get 3 seat positions plus a 4-level leg hold down bar. The shape is thoughtful too. The upper backrest is narrower for freer shoulder movement, while the wider lumbar area supports the lower back better. That is a small design choice with a big comfort payoff. The padding is breathable and dense, so it does not feel like you are sinking into a couch. It folds to under 10 inches thick. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Finer form. This is not just a bench. It is closer to a compact strength station, which is why it earns such a high spot. Finer form gives you flat, incline, decline, preacher curl, sit-up, Roman chair, and back extension possibilities in one piece of equipment. That instantly changes its value if you are trying to build a complete home gym without buying 5 separate machines. This makes the most sense for people who want full-body training, not just chest presses. Lower back extensions, glute work, core training, curls, dumbbell exercises, and bench movements are all on the table. The 1,000-pound capacity gives it serious credibility, especially if you are pairing it with adjustable dumbbells, a barbell setup, or a rack. The adjustability is extensive too, with multiple backrest, seat, support pad, and calf positions to fit different body types. Transport wheels make it easier to move, which is helpful because this is more substantial than a basic folding bench. The criticism? It may be more complex than casual beginners need. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Yoleo. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it nails the balance most home gym buyers are chasing. Strong, simple, adjustable, foldable, and not wildly complicated. It is independently tested and certified to 827 pounds, which gives the bench more credibility than vague strength claims. The dual triangle steel frame keeps it steady through dumbbell presses, hip thrusts, incline work, and general strength training. This is the one I'd recommend for most people building a practical home gym. It arrives almost fully assembled, so you can insert 2 pins and start training almost immediately instead of staring at a pile of hardware. The 84 adjustment combinations cover flat, incline, decline, upright, seat, and leg pad positions. That gives you enough variety for chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs, and core without needing a complicated machine. It folds quickly, has a transport handle, and weighs about 23 pounds. Advanced powerlifters may want a dedicated flat bench, but for home use, Yoleo is the easiest overall pick. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best adjustable weight benches that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.